And so the first one is, sorry, I have to read it, so my eyes will go down. For the birds. So for the birds, you're thinking, oh, bird seed. Maybe I'll give them some bird seed. That's for the birds. But in actual fact, this means trivial or worthless. Now in Australia, we actually wouldn't use for the birds as that. We just use it, well, I got some bread, it's for the birds. That's basically how we use it. And something that's trivial or worthless. Generally say worthless, or that is shit, or that is useless. We probably would have a word for it, but I can't think of it off the top of my head. If I do, I'll make another video. Okay, put up your dukes. Now this one, a lot of Australians will probably understand just through movies, but we actually wouldn't say it in real life. It just means put up your fists like that and get ready to fight. So if you say this in Australia, we'd actually understand it. Now the third one that we have is bought the farm. So sorry I was being interrupted. So bought the farm is a euphemism for dying, and in Australia when you buy a farm, well, you buy a farm. Has cows, has sheep, could have wheat, doesn't matter, it's a farm. So the next one we have is jonesing. Means to want to eat. Oh, I jonesing some coffee, I jones some coffee. In Australia we say craving, to want. Oh, I need. But we wouldn't say jonesing, so we wouldn't understand that. Shooting the breeze. Maybe we might understand this. It actually means to engage in idle chatter, or basically talking bullshit. But in Australia we'll probably just say talking bullshit. So a John Hancock. This refers to a signature, and no, we wouldn't use it. We just say, give us your signature, mate, or give us your signature, cunt. Next one, Monday morning quarterback. I presume this is reference to American football, which it's not really popular here. But it means to criticize past judgment in the future. So you done something yesterday, and you're thinking about yesterday, and you're judging what you done, or not yourself, but anyone. So we wouldn't use that here, and if you say it, no one will understand. Ooh, we don't actually have a term that I can think of for this word, so just say passing judgment. Okay, carpetbagger. Ooh, this is, from what I've read, it's in reference to people who from the north who went to south during the American Civil War between 1861 and 1865 to make money. So they'll probably do it probably dubiously, probably smuggling arms, or probably buying up land, or just some dodgy, really dodgy crap. And well, this does apply to current politicians. Well, it does apply in Australia as well as the United States. It means politicians seeking money for areas that are, well, their pet projects. Ooh, like a presidential library. That's a pet project of a president, which well, they get money from the federal government anyway. But mainly to prop up their local constituents in re-election time, and probably for, I don't know, if they get money from a lobby, they probably want to seek funding for a certain project that lobby wants to get done. So that's pretty much seeking money for corrupt purposes. Now, taking a rain check, yep, we understand this. Yep, probably through movies as well, but we also do use it. It just means deferring something for another day. So we want to go to the beach today, but it is cold and wet, so you defer going to the beach to another day when it's sunny and hot. Pork. You know what pork is? Another reference is pork barreling. It's just governments politicians get money to put in their electorates at election time, so that is pork barreling. And they only do this type of project at election time, and doesn't matter if they got money or not, they just do it anyway, because you're gonna pay for it, because you're the taxpayer. So those are some American slang words that, well, most Australians will not understand most of them, as I explained earlier. And I hope you liked this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can annoy you more. Bye bye.